classroom. Good morning everyone. So today this is an English only challenge and I'm going to speak English while I will tour you around my classroom. So for those who already know, yeah, I am a public school teacher, and if you do not know, I am a public school teacher in the Philippines, and I am so proud to tell you my classroom. Come. I got this classroom for my second year in teaching. Why did I decided to have a classroom tour? It's because last Thursday we just had our evaluation for the classroom, and I can feel the clean vibe of my classroom, of our classroom rather. So here, this is my blackboard. This is where we usually, there, I'm teaching my pupils facing them. And then the chairs are not new. We just place it, we just pile it on top of their table so that it will be easy for us to clean. And then we also have the you know, when you can, the electricity, and we also have the LED TV. This was donated by my pupils and Mysteries Fat pupils. Because there are two classes in this classroom. We have the emergency in the morning and then the emergency in the afternoon from 6 to 12 and then from 12 to 6. So there are two batches, two classes who are going to divide the amount so we can have the many projects inside the classroom, because as you know, the DepEd cannot really give so much about so much money for our school. So that is why half of the salary of the teacher, no, I mean, I'm just exaggerating, meaning not half of our monthly salary, but maybe just a portion of our salary, a portion like this portion. If our salary is like this, we have like this portion of our salary that goes to our classroom. Why is that so? You will know. Now this one, here. This is my classroom program. That is the schedule of my co-teacher. She is Mysteries Fat. We have this one, we have this set that is worth 5,000 pesos. That's worth of a money. And aside from the TV, there is a connector. Here, this is the HDMI connector, this one. This will be connected to the laptop. And that's also our speaker that is still donated by the parents. Stop. And this is our windows. This is now, we are now having the jealousy type, and this is a very new trend of the jealousy, because it says this is Jello Plus. Jello Plus, because look at the frames. It's like rubberized. It is not in, you know, in metals. So this is a very new project of the two classes. This was still donated by the parents. And I'm so glad that the parents were positively donating for our classroom. So we have here, this is still new. Next, come with me. This is our space. So this is Mysteries Fat, the table of Ma'am Fat. She really chose this kind of table because our school is prone to flooding, and she doesn't want to destroy the legs of her table. That is why this is metal. And then she has her own printer here. It's covered. And then on her table, the curriculum guide. She has also her, you know, her school supplies. And let's go to my table. Come here. Let's go to my table. No, wait. This one is her instructional materials. Look, she's a science teacher. She has this instructional materials. Their instructional materials, they are really real. So this is a real, you know, everything is real, but it is preserved right now. This is her cabinet. She can pay. She is richer than I do. That is why she has a better cabinet than I have. Look at her cabinet. It's made of glass. The covers are made of glass, while mine is not. Mine is just a plywood. I'm so thankful of Ma'am Sheng. She really allowed me to buy the marine plywood for only 72 pesos. It's 72 pesos because, yeah, oh, the plant is already dying. I need to water this one later. This is my full name. For those who didn't know, that's Diechie Renee L. Fajardo. I'm a teacher, and that is also included in the 5,000 promo package. So what's inside my cabinet are these. I have here the instructional materials. If I wanted to teach the subject, for example, this one is MAPE, this is 4th grading. This one is in ESP, the edukasyon sa pagpapahalaga. And we also have, these are arranged by subjects. Then, for example, if I'm going to open this ESP, it's all about the balita, about katotohanan. Mixed references, the little red hen, so everything is in here. And then I have here the books for my references, the bond paper, and my hygiene kit. No, I don't know, it's like a hygiene kit. And these are my personal files, like very important documents, pertinent documents for my files. My cabinet isn't the very best cabinet, but I am very proud of this because this was a project by my pupils in EPP, and I asked it from them because I really want it's very durable. That's why I asked it from them and they gave it to me. And right here, this is my personal space inside the classroom. This is my table. I got this for 5,500 pesos last 2015. The money that I had was given by me by the Riponte family during the New Year and Christmas. So that I can really make use of the money that is really very useful and memorable to me, I transformed it into a table. This glass here, this is a bevel type, which means the glass is really, it's sliding. I have here this is my personal space. So when I open the window, look, the lights are coming in. It's really very fresh, even though it's very hot inside the classroom most of the time. Okay, so while I'm doing my job here on this side, I'm going to look at the mirror because I'm so vain most of the time. And then I have here my dispenser, Scotch tape dispenser, my water. I can finish three full of this water. This one was a gift during the Teacher's Day. I also love flowers so much. I don't know why, but I really love flowers. Maybe that's because that's a sign of adulting. This one was given by my pupils during the Teacher's Day. They want me to wear it like this, so I'm going to wear it today. And then I have a calculator. I got this as a gift last Christmas. And on my table, you can see many of this. It will inspire me sometimes if I have problems with my pupils, how to manage their behaviors. So I hope that you will be reading this. That's all for my table. This is me during my graduation, my birthday. You can send gifts and wrap it. You can wrap and send it to me. And then this is Rika. You already know who is she. And then I don't know. And here I have here on my table, there's a special cherry blossom. Look at the cherry blossom. It's really made by my hand. These are just construction paper and a real twig, so that I will be inspired looking at that cherry blossom. Why? Thank you. I've never been to China. I've been to Baguio. I've never been to Paris. For our personal necessities, of course, we also have our toilet. Do not expect more about our toilet, but the toilet is good for my own position. Wait, I will look myself in the mirror. I don't think it's better, but this is already better for me. Come in, I want to show you our CR. Ta-da-da! This is our toilet. Oops, I will hide the rug. This is our washing area. This is our sink. Sorry for not arranging it well. I'm so bad at, my pupils are bad at arranging, not me. Joke. It's just I didn't manage them well. And then we also have our bowl. This is new. We painted this wall with white so that it's clean. There's a clean vibe. And if ever I am ready to record their scores, every time I'm going to have a class with them, of course I will have my table in front, a small table in front, so that I can see my pupils who are talking, who are cheating, who are listening, who are very happy, and who are very sad for the day. My classroom isn't the best. This is not the very best classroom for the whole school. In our classroom, we did not follow the guidelines during the classroom evaluation. Like the windows must be brown, the cabinets must be brown, the ceiling must be fixed, it must be new, the wall must be painted very new. Like it is expecting us to do greater job for the classroom, but because we don't have enough time, we don't have enough resources for that. That is why the classroom looks like this, but we are still proud because we do the classroom that depicts most of our personality. We are so girly. I am so girly personally. That is why I have these decorations. Look here. It says fight a good fight, finish the race, 2 Timothy 4:7. It says here that my pupils must choose the best fight. Let all that you do be done in love. If everything is done in love, there will be peace in the world, because the greatest of them all is love. And that's in the Bible, that's biblical. That's in 1 Corinthians 16:14. So in my classroom, yeah, that's my classroom. Now let's talk about this cabinet. This cabinet was very big. It's a very big cabinet. It's like a table. This was given by Ate May and Melesio. She is now in Bohol. She gave it to me, and then because it's very big, it can fit in this room. So what I did, I had it customized and then hung it there, because it contains the NAT reviewers, the National Achievement Test reviewers for my pupils. And I hung it out. If you have seen, if you have observed, all of the cabinets are hanged because, again, this school is prone to flood. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you are enlightened by how classroom in the public schools looks like here in the Philippines. It's still nice, it's still out of love.
When the sun set free through the mountain tree, there's a place I go where the air is clean and the color's clear and you see right through. You can hear the leaves singing through the trees as they call to you, and the wind that blows away those